Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and to my home. I'm Eileen. Today I thought I'd do just a really fast styling video for you on how I did this low braided bun. This is my Angelica Noriko wig. I'll put the specs and everything about this wig in the description bar below. You know, this wig is way too long for me. I would never wear it down, but I wear it a lot because I style it all kinds of different ways. I do braids, I do updos. There's just a lot you can do with this wig. So let me show you the back of this. It is such a simple style. You could dress this up, wear it super casual. I just like to wear it just like this, but I'm going to show you step by step how I do it, and it's super easy. So let's get started. Okay guys, I'm going to show you how I do that real fast braided bun. It's super easy, only takes a few minutes to do. I have my Noriko Angelica in Creamy Toffee Rooted. I will put all the information about her in the description bar below. All you're going to need to do this is some wig pins. I used 3. I used 1 on each ear tab and 1 at the nape underneath to hold it on my wig form. You'll need a rubber band, 2 rubber bands. I have a brown one here, and I just have a plain clear one. If you can see it, it's really small. And of course, bobby pins. And I have some that are like a blonde color, and that seems to work really well with this color wig. You really can't see them very well. Okay, so what I do is I just start by putting her in a low ponytail. Now, the good thing about this wig is it comes with already some short hairs cut in it from the manufacturer around the nape, which I think is great. You could do that yourself, but this one just comes that way already. And like I said, we're just going to put her in a low ponytail. Super easy. Smooth it out. And I'm going to use that brown rubber band to secure the ponytail. Just like that. Okay? It's that easy. Now, I'm basically now just going to braid it. Now, if you don't know how to braid, there are lots of videos, YouTube videos on braiding, so you can easily find out how to do it. I'm not going to go through that whole thing, but it's super easy. It is basically just crossing the hairs. This is no special braid. This is just a regular braid, crossing over. Like I said, there are lots of videos out there to show you how to do that, but this is as easy as it is. I mean, it is super easy, super fast. Keep a little tension on it. And I am going to braid it all the way to the end, as far as I can, and secure it with that little clear rubber band I have. Okay? Super easy. Now, you could wear it just like this if you'd like. Just have a long braided ponytail. But I want to make a bun out of it. So all you're going to do is wrap your braided piece around the rubber band, and that is it. Tuck the ends in to form your bun. Okay? I'll show you that again. Just wrap it around your rubber band that holds your ponytail and tuck the ends behind the bun, and then you're simply going to secure it with your bobby pins. Super easy. Like I said, I like these little blonde colored ones to use on this color hair. They make dark ones, of course, for dark hair. Use as many as you'd like. I use a good many because I want it to feel secure. I don't want to lose it, of course. Okay? Just continue to put your bobby pins all around. I even, of course, go up underneath it to get some underneath the bottom, just to make sure I am securing it all the way around. Make sure your little ends are secure where you wrapped it around, and that is basically it right there. Really cute. On this one, I like to leave the fringe out. You don't have to. If you have a wig that has longer fringe that you want to make this more formal, you could always tuck it up underneath and pin it. I just like this casual look. Now, I have some little decorative pins that I think would be so cute in here. So I'm going to add them to it. This just dresses it up. If you wanted to wear this for a more dressy occasion, you could easily just put some of these little decorative pins in there, hair pins, and really dress it up, make it cute. It's also a little extra security there for you. Those are really adorable. I love them. So pretty. Just wherever you would like them, just add them in to make this just a little more dressy, like I said. Very cute. Okay, I'll try this on and we'll show you the end product. Okay guys, well that's how I created this low braided bun. Couldn't be any easier. I hope that if you have some longer wigs, you'll try this style. I'm going to be doing a lot more styling videos coming up, so please leave me some suggestions down below if there's something special you'd like to see. And I hope you enjoyed this video. I really enjoyed making it for you. And I hope you'll subscribe to my channel and hit the little bell button to get notifications of my new videos coming out. I plan to do a lot this summer. So until we meet again, remember, we're all in this together.